how to add products on Ecwid. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a product within Ecwid. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you go ahead to ecwid.com. Then you will see this platform or the registration platform. Simply, if you don't have a account yet, go ahead and click on create a new Ecwid account, or if you have one, just in like my case, go ahead and sign in with your account. You have email or the Google, Facebook, or Apple. I'm going to use my Google account to make things simplified, and here we have the dashboard. A little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video such as email addresses and accounts are created for the sake of the video. They are not used for any personal uses. Here we have our Ecwid dashboard, and as you can see, we have a left side menu. You can go ahead and customize or see the different features within Ecwid. And in our case, we are going to add some products. So we are simply going ahead to the left side menu, then we are going to click on catalog. Within catalog, here we have some products. Here we have the stock products that have been added within the theme of the website. In this page, you can add the products manually or automatically. If you want to add the product automatically, click on import or export products. It will drop down a menu. Here we have the option to import products. You click on it simply, and here we have the platforms and also the importation data. You can import the product catalog, click on upload catalog file, and here we have a format of Excel or a CSV file. I will let you see here an example. For my case, I have Shopify. When you click on products within Shopify, it will show you the products that you have or added from developed platform, or also you have added them manually. Go ahead and see the products. Pick up your item or the product that you want to export as a CSV file. Go ahead and click on export. Now for the export, I am going to put only the selected, which is one product, and export as, I'm going to set it CSV for Excel, numbers, or other spreadsheet programs. Go ahead and click on export products and wait for a few moments, and you can see here the name of the product. Go back to Ecwid, click on upload catalog file. You can go ahead and select the file that you have and then open it. This is for the automatic option. I am going with the manual option. So this is the most of the cases you are going to add the products manually, since the import option will be very efficient with the importing of the bulk. Select here all the products that you have and add them to the store that you have on Ecwid. This will be much easier, but in the most of the cases, we have only one product to add. Click on a new product or add a new product, and from there, we have the product adder or editor. You can see here we have a new product. We have here the general product gallery. Can go ahead and upload the images and put the main image, different angles, close-ups, in use, and styles. This is the guiding of your image or the gallery footer. You can either add a video, but this is a premium feature. So I will go ahead and add a product. Let's say that this is a physical product. Go ahead to my download right there on the desktop. Select the image. I'm going to add multiple images, maybe like that, and wait for them to upload. Here, I'm going to put the name, for example, summer t-shirt, like that. And for the SKU and the weight, you are going to set them right there. For the weight, I'm going to put here maybe 0.1 kilogram. And you have to check this box if it is a physical product, requires shipping or pickup. Now we have the description. You can either go ahead and add a random description, or you can go and get the help of the AI. Let's say right there, I'm going to put here high quality product or t-shirt t-shirt like that. Perfect for summer. For summer. And here we have the description. You can add more of the description because this is just an introduction to the description, because we have here 5 or 6 words. It doesn't be enough right there to make the customers buy these t-shirts. So we need a more professional, as you can see right there, a description. Here we have the option to add a ribbon or edit the ribbon and also product subtitle, but these options are not for free. Now we have the general set from the name and the description. You can go ahead and add some attributes. We have the UPC and also the brand. Now we have some options. You can add some variation to the product. You can simply click on add product options, and right there we have the option name. You can set it as a option type right there, drop down list, radio button, size, or checkboxes. Let's go ahead and add some sizes. And from there, I'm going to put S, add a value here, medium, add another value, and here I'm going to simply add large. Here we have the options. You can go ahead and add a option. The value selected automatically, require customer to select. Here we are going to set it right there. This is the option. You can add another option if you want to add another thing. Here we have the variation. You have to upgrade to add this variation because it is a premium feature. That was for the variation and the options. You can add a customer input fields if you want them to upload a file. For example, if you are working on the print on demand, or you are going to customize that shirt or that tissue that you have set, or the accessories even, go ahead and put an input field like this and put the type of it. You have text field, text area, date picker, and also the file uploader, which will allow the customers to upload their own design on the t-shirt. This is a premium feature, so you have to upgrade your plan to see that work. Now, let's go back to the files, and this is a part for the digital products. Now we have the shipping and pickups. You can go ahead and set these parameters. And finally, we have the taxes, SEO, related products if you want to enable them to set the collection of the products that you want to sell within the product page, and finally the buy now button. You can embed that button and put it everywhere on your website. And not to mention, we have here the pricing. You can finally set the pricing right there, and here we have it. Simply when you finish this, click on save, and then click on view on store. When you click on view on store, simply it will be showing up the product. We'll wait for the product to show up, and here you can go to set the website or the sales channels, and also link the website that you are going to put it as a getaway or a selling getaway. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.